Hello, this is Karen from Karen's Garden Creations. Hey, I got a table transformation to tell you about. Here it is. This is how it started. Pretty cute, huh? I knew I could make it even cuter. So here were my steps. I started with some white glass and I cut it into strips, and then I cut those strips into smaller pieces, petal shaped. I needed a lot of petals. They were kind of rough because I used this glass nipper, so I had to grind them to make them smoother. And then they looked like this after grinding. So this is what they looked like when I'd cut quite a few for this daisy table. Then it was time to work on the leaves. Same process, bigger leaves, had to grind them, smooth them, and then I was ready to start the design. I completely sanded the top and took all the paint off, and then I also put these lovely glass square tiles around the edges. Makes a fun look. I added butterflies and other items to make it a really fun space. So here's the progression. So I glued everything down, and then it was time to add the background. You'll see how it really changes the piece. That blue really pops, doesn't it? But wait till you see what's next. Looks pretty good, but it's not quite finished. Now it's time to grout, then clean, then polish it up. So here's the finished project. Well, that's it. The finished project. And it turned out great. I hope you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.